Disassemble the mobile phone. For this task, you will need a precision Phillips screwdriver, pick tool, and tweezer. Look for the lock of the outer back cover and gently pull this up. Remove the battery and SIM card from the cellular phone. Place the cellular phone on your working table. Remove all the screws that lock the inner back cover. Some cellular phones have hidden screws. Check if there are holes covered with rubber or stickers. In this video, all 6 screws are visible. Gently remove the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Pick up all the loosened screws using a tweezer. Gently detach the flex connector of the LCD using the pick tool. Use a tweezer to detach the mic. To detach the PBA from the front cover, snap one side of the PBA using a pick tool and gently pull up the PBA. Remove the static plate by unscrewing all the screws that locks it. Use a precision tool to do this. Pick up all the screws using a tweezer. Remove the static plate from the PBA. To remove the keypad from the front cover, push back the keypad away from the front cover. Use a tweezer to gently remove the LCD panel. Do this very carefully to avoid scratches on the LCD.